Welcome children in bio class. Now next topic you have to study nails. Nails are also derivatives of the skin. A nail is a hardened keratinous plate-like modification of the epidermis. It forms a clear protective covering on the dorsal surface of the finger or toe. Nails grow as a dead cells from the nail root. The root of the nail lie below the skin at the base. Nail has three main parts. So children, you have to know what are the three main parts of the nail. First part is the nail plate. So this is the first part, nail plate. So this portion of the nail is the nail plate. Nail plate is the hard part of the nail and it is made up of dead keratinized cells. So this is the hard part and it is made up of dead keratinized cell. Second part of the nail is nail bed or nail root. Nail bed or nail root is just below the nail plate. So this is the nail plate and just below the nail plate there is nail bed. So this portion is the nail bed or nail root. So upper portion, which is made up of dead keratinized cell, that is the nail plate. Just below of it is nail bed or nail root. Both bed and plate originate from the nail matrix. So third portion of the nail is nail matrix. So you see this portion is the nail matrix. So there are three parts of the nail: nail plate, nail bed and nail matrix. It lie below the skin surface at the base of the nail. It appears as a whitish half moon. So from the outer surface when you will see, then it appears as whitish half moon. It produces new cells which on maturation push the older cells towards the tip of the nail, causing its growth. So this nail matrix will produce the new cells. When new cells are produced, then nail will grow, nail plates grow and it grow outwards. So it is pushed out. The older cells towards the tip become dead. So this is the older cells which are coming towards the tip. So this I told about the nail. Children, you have to learn nail is hardened keratinized plate-like structure. It has three main parts. First is nail plate, second is nail bed and third is nail matrix.